Mr. Moily, always a pleasure to talk to you, sir. These different possibilities that have been explained, would you say that what started as an internal rift was allowed to fester for so long that it has now come to this, a battle of nerves which has become legal?
Yeah. Hello?
Yeah, Mr. Moily, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, Mr. Moily, I'm saying that had this matter been resolved earlier, we wouldn't have seen these ugly scenes, first on the streets of Rajasthan and now even in courts.
Yeah, you will just appreciate that, this is pre-planned. It is not as if, suddenly the young man like Sachin Pilot has revolted against Ashok Gehlot. The question is that, if it is an internal problem, it could have been resolved, because even the leeway was given even by the central leadership, and they wanted to contact him and try to bring him back, and if there are any problems, that could have been resolved. It's not just confined to that, because BJP is behind the scene, and Sachin seems to have fallen into their trap, which he should not have. And having done that, we cannot call it as because the government is collapsing because of the internal problem. It is because of the external force like the BJP to pursue their design to dismantle all non-Congress government. This is part of that great conspiracy which has been hatched by them since long. And that is how they captured the...
No, Mr. Moily, the reason why I ask you this
Goa
question...
government, the Manipur government, and many governments they are dismantled.
Correct. Mr. Moily,
become the order of the day for the BJP.
Mr. Moily, my only question over here is, none of this would have been possible. The BJP would not have managed to do this had your own house been in order. Will the Congress agree to at least this much, that you left a problem festering and creating an opportunity for the BJP?
No, Sachin Pilot is not an ordinary member of a Congress party. He has been the PCC president. He was made the deputy CM of the state, and he led the party also for the election. Having done so, if that anchor himself is being dismantled and removed by the BJP, who can prevent it? This is the real difficulty. And this is how the BJP forgets that, for a democracy, the opposition is also important. They have to survive. And the Indian National Congress is only today to the national party next to BJP. These two parties will have to survive. If a democracy of this country will have to survive. And if you don't want that also, you don't have toleration for that also. And they try to trap particularly the aspiring leaders from our party. They have done it in Madhya Pradesh, and they are now doing it in respect of Rajasthan. So this is the deep conspiracy which has been hatched, and unfortunately our young man, very brilliant man, and in a mass-based person like Sachin should fall prey to that. Because he should have patience, He has already come nearer to the CM post and would have got it also.
Correct.
And we could have negotiated.
Mr. Moily, can I ask you a question frankly? I mean, you are known to speak your mind. You are known to speak frankly. Do you think that this is a point of no return for Sachin Pilot? I mean, he has gone way too far.
I think till yesterday I had hopes that he will come around, because he has been telling that he is not joining BJP. I think we believed him that he will not join the BJP. Now it appears that he is already part of the grand design of the BJP, and not likely that he will come back, because he will think, having gone so far, he thinks that he will be benefited more from the BJP. Never. He can never become Chief Minister of the BJP government, if it is formed in future. Hopefully it will not be done. So I think the same thing has happened with Jyotiraj Sindhya. He can never become Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh. And all these ambitions which these youngsters have nurtured, these ambitions have been taken advantage by the BJP. And if they think that by destroying these two youngsters, they will be destroying them, leadership, a very competent leadership, and also destroying the Congress. I think They would like to achieve these twin objectives. That is why they are proceeding. That becomes very clear today.
Okay. Mr. Moily, thank you so much for speaking your mind and telling us what you feel about this entire crisis. That was senior Congress leader Veerappa Moily telling us what is on his mind. He says that he seems to be losing hope as of this moment. Till yesterday, he did think that Sachin Pilot is going to come back.